Hello, welcome to my exhibition of the 8700s and friends. These are 10 by 20s. The prices are being given because I'm marking everything down. 25 cents on the per square inch price. I have my cell phone flashlight right here, so don't mind the reflection, please. I'm trying to show you the shimmer, which is pretty awesome. These 10 by 20s are $400. That is the sale price. You can always get in touch with me using my email address. It's under, show more under the video. It's easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. There are exceptions to the $400 rule. This is one. This is private collection, which means it's probably $250 square inch, which is still a reasonable price. I'm not dead yet, but I'm pretty sure this will increase in value. I'm hoping so. I love this. I love the shimmer. I love the little trees. I want to make bigger trees, but I got to become more brave. This was a painting that does not have a video. If you would like to find out if there are videos for any of these artworks, just mention the time in an email to me or in comments, and I will hook you up with a link to the video. Some of them have not aired yet. They may be upcoming, and in which case I'll let you know. This was this was a stage 2 that my friend really likes, and it reminds me of black opals, similar to another one. It's pretty intense. It's pretty wild. I'm not sure it's to everybody's taste, and sometimes it is, and sometimes it isn't to mine also. So I have 3 more 10 by 20s. And this has Misty Veil in there, which I love, that slate purple tint. And also some interference violet, which reminds me there is a 25% off sale at Colourarte until July 22nd, 2022, from whenever from the 15th, I guess. And so you can use my coupon code because I'm an affiliate, and you will help me out a little bit, and I would really appreciate that. It's right directly under the video. This needs to be a horizontal, and I think I'm going to move these out of the way so I can show that to you as a horizontal, if I'm fortunate, which may require an adjustment in my positioning of myself. I think it's good both ways. There we go. Cool. This has amazing shimmer, sparkle, and shine. Love this. This is an upcoming video. There's 2 parts of it. The first part is the bottom half, and the second part is just adding the butterfly. Now I've got a whole slew of 12 by 24s. And the 12 by 24s are expensive. They are, yes, they're $575 a piece, and that is the sale price. But there are videos for many of these. Are we all in frame? Pretty well in frame. Straighten them up. This is a 2-stage artwork coming right up, and it got tipped so that it was an uneven top, and I went back and did a stage 2 where I fixed the top, and I'm really happy. I really like how it turned out. Hopefully I don't have too much reflection on things. I like how this turned out too. Stage 2 was the moon and the stars, and probably some of the reflections in the trees. That's a recent video, at least to this time, within the last month or less. I love the landscape in this. The cells are tremendous. I'm so pleased with this. I don't know why I didn't add trees, but I don't really actually think it needs them. Maybe that's why, because I asked my husband and he said, no, it doesn't need trees. I love these too. I want to do more of these. This was to remind me of something I did that was a favorite from a long time ago, and I love my little forests along the edge of the cliff. This I'm not sure if it's a stage 1 or done. It's had a stage 2 added to the sky that wasn't actually a video, and I love a lot of things about this, the drama, but I'd sort of prefer to add some dimension, some depth. Maybe adding trees or a moon, or let me know if you like it the way it is, please, by all means. I have a whole... This was a very recent video. This is probably one of my favorite geometrics ever. And I love the negative space and the Chantilly lace shimmers like all get out. I love it. I know that that's Royal Sapphire. Don't forget that 25% off Colourarte coupon code. If you use my code, it'll hook you right up. The link to the website is right there. This is a video. I'm not sure if it's played yet or not. This has got, I love the dimension of this. It just stayed raised. And the Josanya varnish in my mixture makes it wonderful. Dog hairs are free with every purchase. This I wasn't entirely 100% sure I liked, and then one day I started to play with it by adding a little bit more something. There is a video, and I think I'm going to leave it alone because I actually really like a lot about the way things worked out. I could change my mind someday, but for right now I really, really like it. I didn't initially, but I do now. This is a video. I know this is a video. Very shimmery and delicious. This is not a video. And I'm going to spread that. I'm going to make that a horizontal for you. And it's very nebula, I think. I'm not sure why I'm doing the vertical, because I must have decided at some point in time to make it horizontal. And the only painting I have left after this is the redo that was actually, I believe, today's video. I'm going to put that back that way. I do love that. I love that in all directions, to tell you the truth. It took me a minute to fall in love, but I did. I love the midnight shadow in there. It's awesome. Let's zoom right in so you can see that even better. And the upcoming 20 by 20 inch by 2 inch is $800. And I think it's going to be, I'm going to have to refocus, and then I'm going to show you my books. Volumes 1 and 2 are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. They are on my Amazon link. They are the first and the second 100 videos produced for YouTube. And they're right over here, but I'm going to shimmer that out. I believe that's Mayan gold, but it could be Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold also. I'd have to watch the video to tell you. So, like I said, that's 800 bucks. These are my two books. I have over 2,600 videos that you can see. 2,700. There's another 100 that are waiting to be aired, or that I have yet to decide that they're worthy of being shown compared to some of my newer pieces that I would prefer to share with you now. My community board should show you tomorrow's video. I wanted to show you some of the pictures from this, but I know that the end of the video is 20 seconds and there'll start to be end screens showing up, so you won't see everything if I don't take my time and talk to you. So like I said, my community board should show you tomorrow's video. You can also talk to me there. You can ask me questions. If you have questions, I'm happy to answer you. If I don't know the answer, I'll let you know that too. Under most videos, you'll find my paint pouring recipe, be there for blooms or color art products. If you are somebody who can help support the studio by making a donation through PayPal, the icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and your help is very much appreciated, as are your comments and your compliments. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. In fact, I have one tomorrow, which is awesome for me. Yay! And so I'm trying to get these videos finished up so I have room in my studio to have another person. Please like my videos. Please share my videos. Thank you for the thumbs up. I really appreciate that. If there's anything I can do to hook you up, look on my link tree. My website is there, and the Gallerist Clothing, Society 6, Pixels.com, Fine Art America. My Facebook web pages, my Facebook pages, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more. And there's another Expressionist Art Studio. I think there's like 5 pages total, including my own personal one. So I hope to see you around. Share your art, ask questions, and I think that's pretty much it for right now. I'm sure I'm forgetting something, but I'm not really sure what it is. Oh yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for inspiring the heck out of me. I post right now at 2:15 Eastern Standard Time, unless it's, of course, this video, in which case I'm posting whenever I feel like it. But I post 7 days a week for the moment, and it has been 3:15, and now it's 2:15 Eastern Standard Time. 2:15 p.m. All right, I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.